In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot for your Power Apps using the new homepage user interface. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Power Apps Maker portal at makedpowerapps.com. Then sign in with your account. Make sure you're using the correct environment and that your account has the permissions needed to access settings. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if you're signing in for the first time in a while. Once you're inside the portal, take a look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. You want to confirm that you're viewing the new homepage experience. This is important because the layout and available options can look different from the older interface, and the steps in this guide are based on the new homepage design. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings gear icon. This will open the area where you can manage available options related to your experience in Power Apps. From the menu that appears, choose either the Admin Center or Creator settings depending on the level of access your account has. If you don't see one option, you'll likely see the other, and that's perfectly fine. The goal here is simply to get into the settings area where feature controls are available. After that, look for a section labeled Features or Preview Features. This is where Microsoft often places newer tools and optional capabilities that can be turned on for users. Take your time here and scan carefully because the exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the interface. When you find the option that mentions Copilot or AI features, go ahead and toggle that switch on. This enables the Copilot experience for your Power Apps home screen. If you're in an organization managed setup, some options may already be controlled by your admin, so just keep that in mind if the toggle looks unavailable. Once the setting is enabled, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply the change. Saving is essential here because without it, your updated setting may not take effect. Finally, refresh your browser page. After the page reloads, you should now see Copilot available and ready to use from your Power Apps home screen. That's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.